we are staying for the first time in a Clarion Hotel room. Thought this was a really nice room. This is in Toms River, New Jersey. This is our bathroom. We're starting off with. This is right off of when you hit the 70 going east and then you go, or north, whichever way it is, and then 37 east towards Seaside. Then you see this right after on the right past the Exxon station. Kind of had to do a diddly boppy zigzaggy to get into it. This is, like I said, the Clarion is part of the Choice hotels. See the Choice, and they have several different ones in their chain. This is our tub. It looks like a nice shower head. The tub looks a little dirty. It's kind of dingy-ish. Doesn't look too bad. Just a little bit. Looks like there's plenty of towels they give you there underneath. I'm just staying for one night. But it looks clean. It smells clean for the most part. I mean, it looks a little dingy here and there. Little scuff marks. It's to be expected. Ooh, that sounds bad. That's obviously metal doors to your closet. You got a safe. Your little luggage rack. This hotel actually has a nice lock. That's always important. We were staying at the Mandalay Bay and it did not have that. And every time somebody had come in and out of the door, it's not like someone's breaking in. But this is pretty good. So it has an updated thermometer heater. So definitely 73 is a little too warm for me. I like it. Well, let's see. Pushing on cool helps. Okay, maybe 69. Start with that one. Not intentionally. So we have a big king size bed. Pretty little sea pitcher. This one with the lighthouse that goes with the other one in the bathroom that we started it off with. We've got ourselves a couch. Let's see, I'll turn. This is the old push button or the turning knobs. I don't like those. It kind of hurt your finger a little bit. Let's see. I do not see any USBs. So I see that. There's nothing on the clock. Typical alarm clock. Let's check over here for USB. We found out that was important after staying at the Flamingo, and it was an older hotel, didn't have any. And it looks like this one does not have it by the doors. Outlets are scarce. There's like none on that wall. None here, so I'm sure it's right over there. None over there by my luggage, but I'm sure it is behind there, which is almost Griswold. A little bit. Let's see if you can see it. I angle my camera just right. It's a little Griswold. Too many plugs into that outlet. We have a nice TV, a little microwave. That's nice. It looks like a big old fridge. Big old fridge, even with a little drawer. That's nice. And a little bit of a freezer. Tiny little freezer. Drawers, typical. Nice desk. Okay, over the desk. Again, no USB. That's definitely a ding, 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 dong. 2 outlets, that helps. And here is the Frigidaire heater. Of course, there's no view. It's just a parking lot. I'm in room 106, so I'm down on the first floor. There's absolutely no view. This one actually has a push button. Oh, yay. Look at that. But again, you know, it's like few and far between. Don't know if we have anything. We can't get behind the couch unless we pull it all the way out. So that's a bummer. It's an okay room. Ceiling, poppy corn with ridges. Big, huge, fat crown molding at the top. Trying to be fancy. Another light. So, you know, this is why I come prepared. I always bring my extension cord that has USB in. I learned my lesson. So, Clarion Hotel in Toms River, New Jersey. It's an okay room just for one night. It'll do. You guys have a good day, and we will see you on the next review. Bye. I went to the Irish pub. There was some kind of pub and tavern, and I'll get the name and insert it in the comments below. That's attached to this hotel. And I'll show you a picture. I feel too tired to go over to Seaside to go on the boardwalk and the beach because I did a lot of traveling around today. So I thought, well, I need to relax. My system is really thrown out of whack from eating too much junk. So I thought, yeah, okay, we don't want to do that. Let's just relax, and I'll go over to the beach and the boardwalk in the morning, which is what I plan to do. So I went into that pub and I ordered the chicken pesto penne, added broccoli to it, and I get it, and it's huge. I mean, the plate was big, but it was dry. I mean, it looked fabulous on the outside, but when you dug in, it was so dry. It was like, blah. It needed something. And then when I asked for ginger ale and no ice, and I got the ginger ale, before she gave me the ginger ale, she came over and she said that it would be a little longer because she said it looked like it was kind of clear in the fountain machine. So she didn't want to give me that, which was really smart, very nice of her, very conscientious. I appreciate that. So they changed it out, but when I got it, it still tasted gross. And I had a couple sips and I was like, bleh. So I went ahead and asked her for a bottle of water, and she got me that, which was really what I needed the most anyway. But I was just like, oh, so the dinner was super dry. Even the chicken that was on top, it was hot, it was great, but it was dry. So I said, okay. I asked her for just a little bit of Alfredo sauce because I knew that would probably take care of it. So they come back out. It has a lot of Alfredo sauce. I only needed a little bit because I wasn't going to eat this whole thing. And so I just poured it over the one spot where I had cut up some broccoli and poured it on there, and it made a huge difference. And when she came back to take the order, you know, to take it away from me when I was done, she asked if it was good and if it worked out. And I said, yeah. I said, can you see the difference? And she says, oh yeah, I can see the difference. And I went, yeah. So hopefully they fix that because, ooh, I would not rate them good for that. And you know, the problem with drinking fountain drinks at a restaurant, half the time they're in this dispenser that never really gets cleaned well. I've seen, maybe I watched too many bar rescues, but they were just horrible, right? It doesn't get cleaned and they're nasty, and I'd rather just the can or the bottle or something, because then I know at least it's not been sitting around and it doesn't collect mold and who knows what all you're drinking. So anyway, I just wanted to update that real quickly. And then when I came back through from that restaurant, I guess I'll get a picture of what that restaurant's called and everything too, and I'll insert that here in this video. And I came back through and I was thinking, you know, I really need a lot more water. I ran out of water and I need some for tonight. I need some in the morning. So I was gonna get like 3 bottles. So I stood there waiting outside the front desk, and you know, they just had a few people come in. There must be a convention or something going on here. So while I waited, one of the guys came out from around the counter. He was getting ready to pass me. He smiled and said hello. Then he stopped and he says, can I help you with something maybe? And I said, yeah, I just need 3 bottles of water. And he goes, oh, I can help you with that. So oh, that's great. I don't have to wait, right? Otherwise I had to wait like there's like 2-3 people at the front desk and only one person manning it. So he quick ran to the back, and I pulled out a 10, not sure how much that water was gonna be. When he came out, I asked him how much. He brought me 3 bottles, and I said, you know, so how much is it? And he goes, oh no, don't worry about it. So he gave them to me for nothing. Isn't that brilliant? Let me see if I can show you. I'll show you what the bottles are. It was like this size bottle. So, you know, that was pretty good. 3 of them for nothing. And I was like, that was really nice. They're 16.9 fluid ounces. You know, just like a regular little water bottle. Not a huge one, but 3 of them. Oh, this is awesome. I so appreciated that. So Clarion gets another, you know, little goodie mark, or I gotta think of what we should call them, right? I should figure out what we should call them. But little points. They get little points, I guess, that it's like, oh, thank the gods they did that. And their AC does work really well. It got really cold in here super fast, which is great. So I got that turned down. But anyway, I just wanted to update that and put that in there, and I'll let you know tomorrow how the bed worked out and how the shower worked out, and we'll do some more video. So other than that, have a good night. Okay. so here's an updated review on this room here at the Clarion and Tom's River. So the shower pressure started out good, but then it trickled, and then look at this. When you go to pull it out, look, it's coming off. Oh crap, I need to fix that. That's not good. And then it just felt gungy, like gungy. And then the bill, so for this room, after all the crap taxes, you have New Jersey state tax, you have Tom's River occupancy tax, can't say it this morning, and then you have New Jersey state occupancy tax. Look at all that. So that's how much this room was. I had paid for it ahead of time, that's why it's showing zero balance now. Yeah, this room just got downgraded. I could hear people drop stuff up in the room above us, people coughing at the room next to us. And then this here, you see it's backwards, upside down. They wanted the, I was just brushing my hair. They wanted full breakfast buffet, $8.50 for a full breakfast buffet. Now that's not as bad as some places in Vegas, that it's cheaper there, but it almost sounded like you had to make a reservation, and I'm just like, well, I don't think so. That's not happening. And then, okay, nice pictures, I give them that, but look at this office chair. Like, holy crap. That looks like a cat or something has been on that or something. To tear that apart, how could you rent a room with that? That's not good. Not good at all. So yeah, wasn't that impressed. Nice that the floors are that kind of stuff, but you know, the vinyl feels like a tile. I can feel the ridges, but it just, yeah, this is even lower than a Holiday Inn. So the Clarion is part of Choice Hotels, so you mean the Econo Lodge, the Roadway. It's also Comfort Inn, Sleep Inn. It's all of those. I signed up for the frequent points, but I don't think I'm going to be using it much because, yeah, that's not too good. A few really weird things. I do like the big fridge, though. That was nice. And nice he gave me the free water. And the service is great. Service was awesome. Room needs help, definitely. That molding with that yellow pea green color, that is sea green, not even pea, but it's sea, like a yellow green. I don't know, it's sickly. It should have been just white. It would have been more classy white, and it would have been much nicer. But nothing matched. You know, so yeah, okay. So that's that update on that, and we'll see you at the next one. So this is the Clarion Hotel that I stayed at in Tom's River, New Jersey. It's on the 37. It's just down the road, I believe, from the Seaside Heights, where I like to go at, where my family's been going at for years. And looks like there's some kind of fast food place there. It might have been better than what I ate last night. It was called Ike's Pub and Tavern, I guess, in there. Yeah, I was not impressed. That's sad. Clarion Hotel was okay. Like I said, I did let the front desk know. They didn't seem to know about the chair or the shower head. It was something I think the maid should have caught and probably reported, because that chair has been shredded for quite some time. It was pretty bad. So, okay, so on to the next.